class, we discussed about the concept of vertical circle. Motion in vertical circle. This is very interesting topic and slightly confusion topic. This vertical circular motion. What is vertical circular motion? Vertical circular motion, it is an example of non-uniform circular motion, NUCM. It is example of non-uniform circular motion. Gravity effect is acting on the revolving body. Gravity effect is acting on revolving body, so it is a non-uniform circular motion. Speed is variable. Velocity is variable in that revolution, in the revolutionary motion. Suppose wall clock, the needle is in rotatory motion, the tip of the needle is circular motion. But the tip of the needle circular motion, it is example of uniform circular motion. Uniform circular motion means this is the angular velocity constant. But it is vertical circle, but uniform it is. Due to the mechanical energy is supports. Mechanical energy is supports the tip of the needle, then it is uniform circular motion. But here vertical circular motion is an example of non-uniform circular motion. So in this non-uniform circular motion, what is the conditions? Suppose example is one string of length r, that is nothing but radius, but it is in circular motion. This is in circular motion. What is the tension and velocity at different position? This is one string of length is r. The lower end one metal sphere is attached. It is in circular motion, vertical circular motion. So in this vertical circular motion, what is the tension at the angular displacement of theta? This position, the tension in the string, this is T, is written as weight acting on vertically downward, and mg is resolved into two components. So this is theta, then this is also theta. This is mg cos theta and this is mg sin theta. So T and mg cos theta both acting opposite direction. T is toward the center of circle, mg cos theta away from the circle. But T minus mg cos theta, that is centripetal force. If this body is moving this circular path, T must be more. T is greater than mg cos theta, then the body is in vertical circle. So what is the centripetal force here? Centripetal force mv square upon r. R is the radius of this circle, that is equals to T minus mg cos theta. T minus mg cos theta. This is the equation of centripetal force, where mv square upon r plus mg cos theta, its value becomes T, where T equals to mv square upon r plus mg cos theta. If theta value changes, then tension changes. So theta value at the lowest position, of vertical circle, lowest position, theta becomes 0. Theta 0, cos 0 is 1. then tension at the lowest position is mv square by r plus mg. So this place using the velocity is v1, then velocity at the lowest position v1 is the velocity. Then its value t equals to mv1 square by r plus mg. And suppose topmost position, what is the tension? Topmost position, theta becomes 180 degree, cos 180, its value becomes -1. So this position velocity becomes v2, then tension is write as mv2 square upon r minus mg. Topmost position, this is the tension. Lowest position, the tension mv square by r plus mg. यहाँ पे velocity v1. Topmost position mv2 square by r minus mg. This is the tension at different position in this vertical circle. In this vertical circle, the tension values are different. So tension values are different. Here the tension is different. Here the tension is different. Suppose at the horizontal position, this position, what is the tension? Here the velocity, suppose horizontal position velocity vh. So this place, so horizontal position, this is right as horizontal position theta equals to 90, and here the velocity becomes v3, v horizontal. Then tension is right as mvh square upon r, and cos 90 becomes 0, it is cos 90, its value becomes 0. Cos 90 0, this is t equals to mvh square upon r, tension at the horizontal position. And tension at the topmost position, the tension, here the velocity is, this is v2, this place velocity is v1. So this is the condition v2. Here the tension, what is the tension of the body? So the tension is t equals to mv2 square by r minus mg. So this is the horizontal position. This is condition of looping of loop. In this vertical circle, what is the condition of looping of loop? Condition of looping of loop means what is this looping of loop? In a vertical circle, the body is complete round and round in this vertical circle. You know that in a string, one string is there, the tension at the different position, you know. यहाँ पे tension पता है, यहाँ पे भी tension कोई नो, here also tension कोई नो. Then what is the minimum tension in this vertical circle? In this vertical circle, we want the minimum possible tension. The velocity at the lowest position is v1. Velocity at the horizontal position vh. Velocity at the topmost position, this is v2. So we want here the tension T maxima, lowest position tension maxima. Topmost position tension becomes minima. Suppose condition of looping of loop, that means the body repeat this vertical circle. What is the condition? In a horizontal circle, no effect of weight, mg. In vertical circle, weight effect is acting here. So this condition, the minimum tension at the topmost position. What is the tension at the topmost position? So topmost position, tension at topmost position. Topmost position, the tension becomes, this is T equals to, this is minimum, this is right as mv square upon r, minus mg. Originally tension equation, mv square by r, tension right as mv square upon r plus mg cos theta. This is the tension equation. This is common for okay, tension at different positions. So mv square upon r plus mg cos theta. The minimum possible tension at the topmost position, the minimum possible tension becomes 0. That means this is the minimum possible tension. Tension at topmost position. This value becomes, the minimum tension becomes 0. It is. The minimum tension becomes 0. Then it is write as mv square by r minus mg. That value becomes 0. Minimum possible tension, that is write as mv square upon r minus mg. Its value becomes 0. So r is the radius, capital R use किया तो capital R radius of the circle. This is mv square upon r equals to mg, and this is write as v square equals to rg. V equals to under root of rg. This is minimum possible velocity at that time. Looping of loop at topmost position. This is the topmost position. So minimum velocity this is. The vertical circle complete होने के लिए minimum velocity. This value v is more than or equals to root rg. The body completes the circle. Looping of loop, the condition is velocity is more than or equals to root rg. This condition, this is the body is complete the vertical circle. The topmost position, the velocity must be root rg. What is the velocity at the lowest position? Velocity at lowest position. Velocity at, this is minimum velocity. Minimum velocity at lowest position. So lowest position, what is the minimum velocity? The minimum velocity becomes here using conservation of energy. Energy at top is equal to energy at bottom. So topmost position, what is the energy? Bottom position, the energy also equal conservation of energy. Conservation of energy, energy at bottom using conservation of energy. Using conservation of energy. What is the energy at topmost position? Energy at top. This is equal to energy at bottom. Topmost position energy, that is write as half mv2 square plus, this is r radius, height, potential energy mg into 2r. So this is the kinetic energy plus potential energy, topmost position. Energy at top, here potential energy plus kinetic energy. Energy at the bottom position, what is the energy? Energy is only kinetic energy of mv1 square, not potential energy at the bottom. Bottom, no potential energy of mv square. You know that this value of v2 square is write as, you know that value minimum velocity is root rg. It is rg, so this is root rg whole square. This is mg into 2r. mg into 2r. This is equals to half m into v1 square. m value कट करने के बाद this is rg, 2 से multiplied, this is 4rg, this is v1 square upon 2. That means this is 2 is cancelled. So 2 is cancelled. This is 2 cancel करने के बाद ऐसे 2 से multiply किया 4rg. Then v1 square, this is equals to 5rg, where v1 under root of 5rg. So that means the velocity at the bottom position, the velocity is more than or equals to root 5rg. Velocity is more than root 5rg. This is the velocity more than root 5rg, then the body is looping of loop. The condition of looping of loop must be velocity at the lowest position root 5 rg. The topmost position the velocity root rg. But this is the minimum. So maximum कितना भी हो सकता है. But minimum velocity v1 equals to root 5 rg. Okay, more than this. Okay, this is v2 at topmost position root rg. This is the velocity at different positions in vertical circle. Different position in vertical circle. So this is the minimum velocity at the lowest position. The condition of energy conservation and use it to calculate the different positions, the velocities. Velocity at a horizontal position in the same circular path. What is the velocity at this horizontal position? So this horizontal position velocity, using same, here velocity we know, minimum velocity is root 5 rg, maximum velocity more than this, and this position, a horizontal position, we want velocity. Using conservation of energy, so this is vertical circle it is. So in this vertical circle, what is the velocity at this horizontal position? Radius of the circle is r. Velocity at the horizontal position is right as. Using conservation of energy, energy at lowest position, this is equals to energy at a horizontal position. Horizontal position energy and lowest position energies are equal. Horizontal position and lowest position. Lowest position only kinetic energy of mv square. That is equal to horizontal position of mvh square plus mg into h. H height, the value of height is equals to r it is. So to cancel this sum and this multiply to v1 square. This value you know, the minimum velocity is root 5 rg. This is. So root 5 rg by 2. So that value equals to vh square upon 2 plus rg it is. Okay, this is the value. After simplification this is, ये value simplify किया तो this is right as 3 rg upon 2, that is equals to vh square upon 2. Just this minus rg, then 5 by 2. This is 5 by 2 rg minus rg. That is 2.5 minus 1. That is 1.5. 3 by 2 rg. This is where 2 is cancelled. Vh square, its value becomes 3 rg. And vh is right as under root of 3 rg. This is the horizontal position, the minimum velocity. Velocity compulsory vh value, horizontal position more than or equals to root 3 rg, then the body is looping of loop in this vertical circle. Looping of loop in this vertical circle it is. Suppose a different position, we want the velocity at 60 degree position. So this 60 degree position we want velocity. Velocity at this 60 degree, this position, what is the velocity? So 60 degree position, we take this is height, h height it is. Using h height from the ground, using conservation of energy, at the position of angular displacement theta equals to 60 degree. Angular displacement theta equals to 60 degree. This position we want velocity. Velocity in this place we valued. So this is at the position of 60 degree, we want the velocity. Here the velocity v. Here the velocity is v1. Its value, this is more than or equals to root 5 rg. Minimum velocity root 5 rg. This is the minimum. But we want the velocity at the 60 degree position. This angle becomes 60. So 60 degree. Then this is h height from the lowest position. This is r and this is r minus h. So this is r minus h it is. R minus h. Then we are using the cos function. In this case cos theta, write as r minus h upon r. Cos theta write as r minus h upon r. Its value r cos theta, that is equals to r minus h, where h is equals to r minus r cos theta. Conservation of energy. So cos theta is 60. The cos 60 is 1 by 2. Using this cos 60 1 by 2, this is r minus r by 2. Its value becomes r by 2h. Conservation of energy. Energy at the bottom position. So energy at lowest position. This is equals to energy at, okay, 60 degree. Theta becomes 60 degree. This position energy. So lowest position energy, that value becomes of m into v1 square. So this is 5 rg. This is equals to of m into v square plus potential energy mgh, mg into r upon 2. Then this value simplified करने के बाद, this is 5 by 2 rg, 5 by 2 rg and v square by 2 plus rg by 2. To cancel this 2, then its value equals to 5 rg minus rg. That means v square equals to 5 rg minus rg. That is 4 rg. Where v equals to under root of 4 rg. V equals to under root 4 rg. The minimum velocity at the 60 degree position, that value equals to this position root 4 rg. This position root 4 rg. It is greater or equals to, suppose minimum root 4 rg, suppose it is more than root 5 rg, so this is in this place root 4 rg, this is more than root 4 rg, but minimum root 5 rg at the lowest position. This place minimum root 4 rg. Same as this position, a horizontal position, the velocity root 3 rg, a horizontal position root 3 rg. And 120 degree position root 2 rg, 180 degree position, this is root rg. That means in this vertical circle, just you observe at the lowest position the minimum velocity is root 5 rg, and 60 degree position velocity becomes root 4 rg, 90 degree position velocity becomes root 3 rg, and 120 degree position, this is root rg, and root 2 rg, 120 degree position, and 180, this is root rg. That means the speed continuously decreases up to top. Speed decreases up to top, then continuously increases. This position root 2 rg, this position root 3 rg, this position root 4 rg, this position root 5 rg. The looping of loop, this is the speed at the different positions. So this is at the lowest position root 5 rg, 60 degree position root 4 rg, 90 degree position root 3 rg, 120 degree position, this is 120 degree. So 120 degree position root 2 rg and root rg. This is the vertical circle, the looping of loop, that is that condition. So the minimum velocity is, this is must. Minimum is this. More than this much, the values are increases. The minimum tension at the lowest position in vertical circle. The minimum possible tension at the lowest position in vertical circle. So this is the vertical circular path. So one body is in vertical circular motion. So we want what is the minimum tension, what is the maximum tension. This is the center position, this is O. So this is the center position. We want, so here tension is, this position tension is T. This is maximum tension. This position tension is T, minimum tension. Because different positions are different velocities. Here the velocity V equals to under root of 5 rg. So this is the minimum tension. This minimum tension, this position the velocity is under root of 3 rg. This position the minimum velocity v is under root of rg. If here the velocity more than root 5 rg, this place also velocity more than root 3 rg, this place also velocity more than root 3 rg. So this place also more than root rg, but minimum velocity root 5 rg, that condition root 3 rg, that condition root rg. But it is more than root 5 rg, more than root 3 rg, more than root rg. What is the tension here? You know the tension equation D equals to mv square upon r plus mg cos theta. mv square upon r plus mg cos theta. This is the tension. But tension at the lowest position, the minimum tension at the lowest position, this is minimum. So minimum tension it is at the lowest position becomes T minimum. This is at lowest position it is. So lowest position, what is the minimum tension? So minimum velocity at the lowest position, this is root 5 rg. So root 5 rg. So 5 rg by r radius plus mg cos theta. Radius is capital R, then it is capital R. Okay. mg cos theta. Lowest position, this value theta becomes 0 and cos 0 is 1. So lowest position, this is mg into 1 it is. Then its value becomes T minimum. Its value is 5 mg plus mg, that means 6 mg. This is the minimum tension. If the speed is more than root 5 rg, speed is more than root 5 rg, that condition tension becomes, minimum tension becomes more than 6 mg. If it is equals to 5 rg, then it is equals to 6 mg. This is the tension at the lowest position. And tension at the horizontal, minimum tension at the horizontal position. So minimum tension at a horizontal position, what is the minimum tension? Horizontal position theta becomes 90 and cos 90 its value becomes 0, and here the tension, here the speed, velocity is write as v equals to root 3 rg. Root 3 rg. This is minimum tension, that condition minimum velocity. So this case tension T equals to, that value is write as mv square upon r, mv square, that is 3 rg by r, plus this is write as mg. So this is cos 90, that value becomes 0. So its value becomes T equals to 3 mg. Tension at the horizontal position. Tension at the horizontal position, this place tension. So this is 3 mg. This is 3 mg is the tension at the horizontal position. If the speed v is more than root 3 rg, so more than root 3 rg, then tension also more than 3 mg. If it is equals to 3 rg, that condition T equals to 3 mg. This is the minimum tension at the horizontal position. Lowest position, here tension becomes 6 mg. Okay, greater than or equal. And here the tension is root 3 mg greater than or equal. And topmost position, what is the tension at the topmost? You know the topmost position, the minimum tension at the topmost becomes 0. Already considered this is cos 180. So topmost position, the tension becomes at topmost position. Topmost position is, you know that velocity is root rg, where t equals to mv square upon r minus theta equals to 180, cos 180 minus 1 minus mg. Then its value is write as t equals to m into v square, write as rg upon r minus mg, where t equals to mg minus mg. Its value becomes 0. Tension becomes 0. So this is the tension at the topmost position. Suppose this place we want the tension at the 60-degree position. 60-degree position, this place, what is the tension? So 60-degree position, the tension value we want. This place we want the tension. So theta becomes 60 degree. This condition, what is the tension? Angular displacement theta equals to 60. Cos 60 is write as 1 by 2. So this case tension write as m into here velocity. Velocity is root 4 rg. So root 4 rg. 4 rg upon r. So plus mg cos theta. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. Then its value becomes, write as T equals to 4 mg plus mg by 2. That means 4.5 mg. This is the tension, 4.5 mg. Here, velocity root 4 rg. This condition tension 4.5 mg. This is. So velocity root 4 rg, that condition tension. If it is greater than 4 rg, it is tension greater than or equals to. So greater than or equals to 4.5 mg. 4.5 mg. And suppose theta equals to 120 degree. Here the velocity becomes, this value is root 2 rg. This place velocity becomes root 2 rg. Theta becomes 120. Cos 120 is minus half. 120 is minus half. This condition, what is the value? So this place we want T equals to m into v square. This place velocity 2 rg upon r plus mg into minus a half. So minus half, this value is 2 mg. 2 mg minus 0.5 mg. This is 1.5 mg. This is the tension. Here the tension is 1.5 mg. So just you observe here 6 mg, here 4.5 mg, here 3.5 mg, 3 mg, here 1.5 mg. Here tension becomes 0. Topmost position tension becomes 0 it is. Suppose here velocity more than root 2 rg, more than root 2 rg, this condition tension more than 1.5 mg. These are the different positions tension and different position the velocities in a vertical circle. So looping of loop, these are the tension and velocities. So this is root 5 rg, that condition tension 6 mg. Here root 4 rg, this condition 4.5 mg. Difference is 1.5. Here, so we root 3 rg, this place more than or equals to 3 mg. Here we root 2 rg, this condition tension 1.5 mg. Here v equals to root rg, this condition tension becomes 0. This is looping of loop. This is the tension ka values. Just